Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add and record voiceover for your edits in the ShotCut app. So here I've already opened the video and I want to add a voiceover into this video, let's say. So what you need to do is click on the music at the bottom and you'll see voiceover option. Click on that and here click on the microphone icon to start recording. It will come down like this. Then you can start speaking into the microphone to record your voiceover. Click on a check icon when you're done, and if you want to hear the result you can just play it like this. Okay, okay. Into the microphone. Okay, so I think the audio is kind of clear, so you can just export after you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.